Why do ambitious people disappear? Not fail. Disappear. One day they're obsessed with greatness, talking about building businesses, changing their lives, escaping mediocrity. Then suddenly, silence. No updates. No progress. No energy. No ambition. It's like the fire inside them just died. And the terrifying part? This doesn't happen to lazy people. It happens to the most ambitious ones. Let me explain. When most people imagine ambition, they picture motivation, grinding, discipline, late nights, cold showers for absolutely no reason. But ambition is not motivation. Ambition is emotional intensity. And intensity burns fuel. Fast. Think about it. The average person never disappears because they never emotionally leave safety. They stay predictable, comfortable, balanced. But ambitious people? They become obsessed. Their mind is always running, always comparing, always imagining a better future. And for a while, this feels powerful. You wake up feeling dangerous, like you're finally becoming who you were meant to be. But then something strange starts happening. Your brain begins turning against you. See, ambitious people don't just want success. They want transformation. And transformation is psychologically violent. You're trying to kill an old version of yourself while still living inside its body. Most people don't realize how exhausting that is. At first, you can force it. You start waking up at 5 a.m., watching productivity videos, reading books faster than you can apply them, planning your future every single night. But eventually, your brain notices something. You're consuming the feeling of progress, without actually progressing. And this is where ambitious people begin disappearing. Not because they're weak, because they overdose on imagined futures. They become addicted to potential. Read that again. Potential is one of the most dangerous drugs on earth. Because it makes you feel special without requiring proof. You start romanticizing the person you're going to become. The future millionaire. The future creator. The future genius. Meanwhile, your real life stays exactly the same. And slowly, your ambition turns into performance. You don't work to build anymore. You work to feel emotionally relieved. That's why some people spend 6 hours planning and 20 minutes executing. It feels productive enough to protect the ego. But deep down, they know. And the brain hates unresolved tension. So eventually it chooses the easiest escape route. Distraction. Scrolling. Gaming. Endless content. Fake learning. Overthinking. Dopamine. Because distraction is painless. Reality isn't. This is why ambitious people disappear so suddenly. From the outside it looks random. But internally, they were collapsing for months. Every ignored promise weakens identity. Every unfinished goal creates friction. Until one day the mind says, maybe we're not that person after all. And that's the real death of ambition. Not failure. Identity collapse. The moment someone stops believing in their own future. But here's the part nobody tells you. The ambitious people who actually succeed aren't the most motivated. They're the ones who survive consistency long enough for their identity to change. That's it. They stop chasing emotional highs. They stop reinventing themselves every week. They stop waiting to feel ready. And instead, they become brutally repetitive. Simple routines. Simple systems. Simple execution. Because real ambition isn't explosive. It's quiet. The people who change their lives are usually invisible while doing it. No dramatic announcements. No motivational speeches. No fake monk mode screenshots. Just repetition. Again. And again. And again. Until their old identity can no longer survive. And suddenly, the person who once disappeared returns completely different. So if you feel lost right now, if your ambition feels weaker than it used to, good. That means you're finally seeing the difference between fantasy and reality. Most people never reach this stage. They spend their entire lives addicted to becoming, without ever changing. Don't let that become you. Because the world isn't destroyed by untalented people. It's destroyed by ambitious people who stopped believing in themselves. And once that happens, they disappear.